Okay, welcome to Trading Bitcoin. I'm sorry I have to whisper. I'm in a spot where I'm currently can't talk very loud. I hope that you hear something that I speak. I just want to explain how I see these current movements and where we are headed right now. There is practically two options what we are currently doing, and I'm trying to point out those possibilities. First of all, as you know, I was expecting before this dump that this C wave, as you can see from my previous videos, I was expecting us to reach that 4,500, and after we didn't, after we started this dump, I tweeted that we ain't gonna get that yet. We will eventually, but not before new lower lows below 3k. So how we will reach the 3k? Like I said, this will be a quick one, so I don't give so much full details about the prices we will hit before reaching that, but trying to point out few possibilities quickly with my cappers. So first, I give the options how we will reach the area. So if we see this as a turquoise 4 now that we have clearly going down, it means that this fourth wave can form this basic ABC, which has ended there. Or what I'm also seeing as a possibility is that we will form this fourth wave as a triangle, where this is A, this will be B, that will be C, and then there will be D and 1E. And if we make that triangle, I will draw it here. Wait a second. What it would look like. I'm sorry, I'm also in a bit of rush, so it's not that exact, but it will give you the idea how I'm seeing this as a possibility. In any case, we are not gonna make a new high above the 4,200 in my opinion. So this would practically what the triangle would look like. Right there, I will extend it a bit, because if this is a triangle, it will take a fucking long time. It may take until April before we start to crack down more harder. Okay, so if we form this triangle, and this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, then the D will come there, and then the E will come somewhere around there, near 4k. Then in that option, this structure here is anyway, I see 5 waves in here, which there we have 1. You can see it on the hourly chart better. There we have 1, that's the third, which extended at 2.618, retraced there, and the 5th came down there. And now we are correcting that movement. And where do we correct that movement? I haven't checked that in pretty accurately yet, because I'm already short, as you know, and I'm only filling my short positions if we go higher, but approximately there. And I would look for a 1 hour or 30-minute capper from this area. Probably 1 hour is sufficient to find the capper target where this will reach out. So what will happen in smaller time frames, probably today we will go again a bit lower, probably reach around there. In smaller time frames, you gotta look for a capper there, or even go back there and look for the capper area there, where this would go down, and then it goes up right around there, and then comes the leg which will reach below 3,600, even near 3,400. And if this is a triangle, then we start the uphill, which may reach again to 3,900 until 4,100. Then the other option is that this is not a triangle, and we are going down straight basically, meaning that this is the ABC I just described, and the fourth wave has ended here, and this 5-wave structure here is the first wave down of this last turquoise 5-wave. And basically it's all the same whichever it will be, because as I said, I don't see it going in any case higher than 4,000, 4,100. And like I said, I'm already short and only filling more of my shorts as we go down. I don't have a good mouse. I'm using this laptop mouse, so I avoid drawing because it looks clumsy if I do that, like I just did with that triangle. But you get the point. I will tweet out more accurate ideas when I'm with my with my mouse in a decent table where I can use it more agile way. So in any case, I see us going down there. The problem, the major difference with us going straight down and going down through the triangle is that if we form the triangle as a turquoise fourth wave, and it basically means that the ending of the fourth wave will be lower than this 4,200. It will be somewhere in the 3,900 to 4,100, and that means the fifth wave will start from there, and that also means that the fifth wave will go lower than this area I pointed out a few days ago. Not a few days ago, a couple of days ago before the dump. And if we go straight down, then the fifth wave have started here, like I have drawn it now, and then the place to buy for me to buy long is this area right here. And okay, so I hope that clarifies something. It all depends how this smaller time frame structural unravels itself in the coming days, and what happens when this starts to dump again, and where it will dump, because in any case I see it's dumping soon to the 3,500 area in any case. And in any case, I see us going sub 3k before reaching this area, what I believed last week we will reach, but we will not reach it yet. We'll reach it before summer, probably before Easter, if the Easter is in April this year. So that's the current view of things. In any case, like I said, I'm repeating myself, but always I have seen that repeating is always important, because you have to repeat things 17 times before people get it. That's the common rule, but I won't repeat this 17 times. I just repeat it twice. So I see this as a five-way structure that has ended, and if this is a triangle, this will retrace back somewhere around this area, 3,900 area, and make a leg down to 3,500 area, and then bounce back up to near 4k, and that is the pattern that will form the whole big triangle as this turquoise fourth wave. If it doesn't do that and go straight down, then it just goes straight down. But probably even in that case, it will first retrace to this 3,900 area. So if I try to put this thing in together in any any case, I see that we are making a one more push up in any case to 3900 area, and if we are in a triangle we will probably do it twice. If we are not, we'll do it at least once, and then we will go down, but I can't currently give the exact midterm bottom target because we are still not sure whether this will form that triangle or it will not form it. The problem with the triangle is that what I see is that I see this also as a five-way structure. So if this is a triangle and this is the one bottom of it and this is the one top of the triangle, basically can't be five-way structure, so that means that this should be three-way structure. I can make this as a three-way structure, but it looks horrific in my opinion, and the other option is that the three-way structure means that this would be the first of the three, this would be the second, and the third would go up there, but after that it still looks ugly. So the most how do I say it, most likely scenario is that we will make that one push up to the 3900 area, like I just said, and then we go down. That's the probable way we do it, but keep your eyes open and be perceptive and shit like that. Okay, that's about it, and if you didn't get anything out of this, don't worry, because I will try to tweet this idea the best way I can. But in any case, I don't see us going there anymore. If we do, then I just have to change actually my bigger account. But we shall see. Thanks. Bye.